Episode 1. EVO's first car.
Hi Sean. I'm looking for a small car.
Hi EVO. Any particular model in mind?
What models can you recommend?
Just nice. Let me ask my guys to park here, so you can see the different models. We have Mazda 6 Atenza, a Honda City, red Honda Civic, and this white Toyota Yaris. Let me show you the Mazda 6 first. This Honda Civic hatchback is really cool as well.
Yes indeed. Can you show it to me?
I bet you will like this model EVO. Let's go and see the last model. I think this model suits as your first car.
Yeah. I like its blue paint too.
Let me show this gorgeous model to you.
Alright. Thanks Sean. I want to see the engine and the interior as well. I will take this. Please deliver it to our garage.
Right away.
A few moments later.
Grandpa, take a look at my new car.
It's a decent car for a student like you, EVO. I'll be purchasing a car for your cousin Sandy as well. Accompany her and let Sean know.
Sure Grandpa, we'll give Sean a heads up.